Paris is a must-visit destination. Walking through Paris feels like stepping into a storybook. The Eiffel Tower stands tall, a symbol of the city's romance and elegance. The Seine River winds through the heart of Paris. Paris is also home to some of the world's best museums and attractions. Let's take a closer look at some of these amazing places. A cruise on the River Seine is a must-do. The boat glides by famous landmarks like Notre-Dame and the Eiffel Tower. You can choose between day and night cruises. Day cruises offer clear views of the architecture. Night cruises are magical, with the city lights reflecting on the water. Tickets are easy to get online or at the dock. Try to book in advance, especially in the summer. Don't forget your camera. The views are picture perfect. After a day of walking, it is nice to sit back and enjoy the ride. It is one of the best ways to see Paris. Disneyland Paris is a magical place. The park is just outside the city and easy to get to by train. Once you arrive, you will step into a world of fairy tales and adventures. The park is divided into different themed lands, each with its own attractions and shows. You can meet your favorite Disney characters and enjoy thrilling rides. Plan your visit to make the most of your time. Arrive early to avoid the crowds. Use the FastPass system to skip the lines for popular rides. Wear comfortable shoes, as you will be doing a lot of walking. A visit to Disneyland Paris is a day full of magic and memories. The Palace of Versailles is a short trip from Paris. The palace is a stunning example of French Baroque style. It was the home of King Louis XIV, the Sun King. The Hall of Mirrors is the most famous room, with its grand chandeliers and mirrors. The King's and Queen's apartments show how the royal family lived. The gardens are just as impressive as the palace, covering nearly 2,000 acres. There are fountains, statues, and manicured lawns. The Grand Canal is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a boat ride. To make the most of your visit, plan ahead and buy tickets online. Arrive early to beat the crowds. Wear comfortable shoes, as there is a lot of walking. The Louvre is the world's largest art museum. It is home to thousands of works of art, including the Mona Lisa. The museum is housed in a former royal palace, adding to its charm. Start with a plan and decide which sections you want to see. The museum is divided into different departments, such as Egyptian antiquities and Greek and Roman art. Take your time to enjoy the art. Spend a few hours exploring and take breaks in the museum's cafes. Use the museum map to find your way around. To avoid the crowds, visit early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Buy tickets online to skip the lines. Consider taking a guided tour to understand the history and significance of the artworks. The Moulin Rouge is a world-famous cabaret. The venue is located in the Montmartre district and has been entertaining audiences since 1889. The show features talented dancers, stunning costumes, and lively music. The Moulin Rouge is famous for the can-can dance. The show also includes acrobats, magicians, and comedians. Tickets can be expensive, but it is worth it. You can choose between just the show or a dinner and show package. Book your tickets in advance, as shows often sell out. Dress up for the occasion. The Moulin Rouge has a dress code. Arrive early to get the best seats. Paris is a city that has something for everyone. To make the most of your visit, plan ahead. Make a list of the attractions you want to see and buy tickets online to save time. Use public transportation to get around. The metro is easy to use and covers most of the city. Consider buying a Paris pass for entry to many attractions and unlimited use of public transport. Take time to explore the city's neighborhoods, each with its own character. From the bohemian charm of Montmartre to the chic boutiques of the Marais, there is always something new to discover. Try the pastries, cheese, and wine. Finally, relax and enjoy your trip. Bon voyage!